मैं हूं इस वक्त ज़िला हेडक्वार्टर कुपवारा से 10 किलोमीटर की दूरी पे वाक़ा कलारूस में। इस गांव को इसलिए यह नाम मिला है कि क्योंकि इस गांव में बहुत सारी गारें यानी कि केव्स ऐसी हैं जिनका ये माना जाता है कि इनसे रास्ता सीधा रशिया जाता है। मैं आज आया हूँ यूएस बेस्ड एक एक्सपर्ट टीम के साथ। वो ये देखने के लिए आए हैं कि क्या हकीकी मानों में ये रास्ता रशिया जाता है।
We are here today to explore the Kalarus Cave, and it's myself, Amber, and my husband, Eric. We run a company called North Star Adventure Consulting, and with us we have Dustin, our caver, our expert caver, who's going to be leading us through the cave.
बातें सुनने को मिलती है जैसा कि बहुत सारे हमारे एंसेस्टर्स ये कहा करते थे कि हम अंदर गए थे इन केव्स के। जैसे कि मेरे पीछे आप केव देख रहे हैं, बोल रहे थे कि हम इन केव्स के अंदर गए थे। जब आप अंदर गए तो लेकिन जो तेल था वो ख़त्म हो गया, हमारे जो लैंडर में वो तेल ख़त्म हो गया, फिर हमें वापस आना पड़ा। और कुछ ऐसे एंसेस्टर्स भी मिले, वो बोल रहे थे जब हम अंदर गए तो वहाँ पे कुछ दरिया है, वहाँ पुल नहीं था, तो हमें वापस आना पड़ा।
Eric's got your bag.
The caves are very beautiful. There are mineral deposits and ore deposits in the caves. It's a shame that we can't get into the longer tunnel that was blown up, that was demolished, because I think there could be some value to a longer cave system. I think the archaeological value of Satburn Rock is an unknown, it's a mystery. And these caves might have been tied to the same archaeological significance, the same era and time period that these 7 doors appeared in these rocks. So I think it will take more investigation. We'd like to talk to the Indian military and see if they would allow us to do some limited excavation in the main cave entrance and maybe find a small passage that we would be able to take a team of cavers like ourselves in through that passage and get into the larger passage and explore it thoroughly, and come back with maps of that cave system that we could provide to not only the archaeological department but to the military if they needed it. We thoroughly explored both caves and did not find any cave passages going beyond more than only several meters. We went into upper caves and lower caves and found no cave passages that led to the tunnel that people speak about, the larger cave, the larger Kalarus cave that we understand that the Indian military demolished.